Hey friends, it's Cars Are Friends. So I picked up this Pittsburgh Gear oil and fluid pump from Harbor Freight. According to this here, it says that it fits most wide mouth quart and gallon containers, but unfortunately I can't get this to fit anywhere. And I figured out how to make this even better. So let me show you what's inside. You have your pump. At the end of the pump there is a little this little barb fitting here. So I was planning on doing a transmission drain and fill soon, and I figured this little barb fitting will help, but this does not fit on any of the containers. So at Harbor Freight, you could also pick up one of these. Right now it's on sale for $10, and it's a 5-quart dispenser. And I thought, let's try putting two and two together. So I put this here, and it doesn't fit. So anyways, you take out the little spout here. After that, you really don't need this. You can set this aside for something else, but what we really need is this part right here. So let's get rid of that. And yeah, let's move on. So what you're really going to need is some extra spare tubing. On here at the bottom, what you do is you open this up, right? You unhook that, and then you remove this little cap here. This cap has some threading on there. It's supposed to cap on the wide mouth like gear oil containers and stuff like that, but yeah, we're not going to need this, so we'll toss that. All right, so once you have it apart, what you want to do is you want to get this part, put it on there, and take this thing, pop that on there, and you want to screw it on, and look at that. It's like it's made for it. Like I said, this is the only part that you have to get. I think this is surgical tubing. I don't remember why I got this. But anyways, you want to put that there. Take this, and you feed that through there. Okay, feed it through there. And then you close. All right, and then look at that. Now you have your own fancy little pump there. So let's try it out. I have some leftover ATF. The reason why I bought this is to see if it'll fit on here. It doesn't fit. So we'll go ahead and put some on here. Okay. All right, let me see if I could make this look better. I don't know. There you go. You can see it. So we are gonna just go like this, and we're gonna pump. Well, there you go. Now you know it works. And then when you're done, you could always just pinch it, put it right there. Then when you're done, you could always just pinch it like so, and then you're all set. Don't forget to cap it. All right, so this is the thing that I came out with. Yeah, it works pretty great. So thank you, and thank you for your time.